Beneath the quiet hum of your engine, a hidden constellation waits to ignite the ground in color. These pods deliver vibrant RGB illumination, including a true 6,500 Kelvin white, controlled by both Bluetooth app and RF remote. Waterproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant, they are designed for universal fitment across off-road and street vehicles. The glow syncs with music, turning every drive into a moving spectacle, and the brilliance begins at $199. Imagine stepping into your car and watching a crisp 7-inch display instantly bridge your phone and dashboard. This wireless CarPlay screen supports Android Auto, OTA updates, and seamless voice control, all in portrait or landscape modes. Its design emphasizes portability and rapid setup, transforming any vehicle into a connected cockpit. Navigation, calls, and apps flow without cables, giving freedom to every journey. The gateway to wireless driving starts at $89. The storm doesn't come from the sky, it roars from your hands, a surge of heated air sweeping water away without a single touch. The BigBoi BlowR Mini harnesses a 2,800-watt motor, blasting filtered warmth through a 5-meter hose to chase droplets from paint, chrome, and glass. Built for detailers and perfectionists, it eliminates scratches and swirl marks, leaving only a flawless mirror finish. Compact yet relentless, it turns drying into a performance of pure precision. And mastery begins at $299. In the rhythm of the road, a magnetic embrace secures your iPhone while delivering efficient 15-watt charging. The Anchor Prime MagSafe Car Mount combines compact design with cooling technology, keeping performance steady on commutes or long drives. Compatible with multiple iPhone generations, it anchors firmly while freeing your hands for navigation and calls. Reliability meets elegance in a mount built for motion. The drive continues at $62. A lens that never blinks, sweeping in full rotation to capture every angle of the road. The 70mm Dash Cam Omni is the world's first true 360-degree dash cam, powered by a stepping motor and AI detection. It records collisions, suspicious movements, and parking incidents with precision, supported by built-in eMMC storage and optional 4G LTE connectivity. Designed to eliminate blind spots, it transforms surveillance into a seamless guardian. Protection begins at $139. In places where ordinary screens fail, this rugged panel shines with unwavering clarity. The Lumineq EL48 is a 6.4-inch thin film electroluminescent display, engineered for extreme conditions from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. With high contrast, wide viewing angles, and unmatched durability, it serves mining, marine, military, and industrial control systems. Transparent Tazel variants even allow futuristic see-through designs. Industrial resilience begins at $195. When night swallows the horizon, these beams carve a path with relentless brilliance. The STEDI Type X Evo LED driving lights are the evolution of auxiliary lighting, refined through years of prototypes and thousands of iterations. Available in 8.5-inch and 4-inch models, they deliver customizable flood and spot patterns with uncompromising performance. Built for off-road adventurers, they redefine what it means to own the night. Illumination begins at £656, equal to $832. A watchful eye that thinks ahead, predicting threats before they unfold. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam is the first truly intelligent dash cam, offering live view, smart alerts, and AI-powered monitoring. With models ranging from 1K HD to 4K resolution, it integrates GPS, emergency SOS, and advanced parking protection. More than a recorder, it is a digital co-pilot safeguarding every drive. Intelligence begins at $499. Every second on the road deserves clarity, and this lens captures it with uncompromising detail. The Pictrey A400 delivers 4K Ultra HD recording, ADAS front car start alerts, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a 1.9-inch IPS screen for instant playback. With 24-hour parking monitoring and night vision, it transforms routine drives into documented journeys. A guardian of evidence and memory, it stands ready in silence. Assurance begins at $57. Lift your gaze and let vital data float across the windshield like a digital horizon. The EANOP M60 hoodie projects speed, RPM, navigation, and even CarPlay or Android Auto integration through a 7-inch display. Designed for universal vehicles, it connects via OBD2 and offers overspeed alarms, voltage monitoring, and FM transmission. Its clarity reduces distraction, keeping eyes forward and journeys safer. Projection begins at $172. From bicycles to car tires, this compact powerhouse breathes life back into every wheel. The Xiaomi Mijia portable inflator delivers up to 150 psi with smart pressure modes, powered by a 2000 mAh lithium battery. Weighing only 240 grams, it is half the weight of its predecessor, making it effortless to carry anywhere. Precision engineering ensures reliable inflation for travel, sport, and emergencies. Portability begins at $22. The road throws stones, grit, and chaos, but this shield turns turbulence into silence. The Demco Sentry Deflector stretches across your tow bar like armor, its aerodynamic polyethylene panels bending the wind while deflecting every rock and shard. Built to endure storms, uneven terrain, and relentless miles, it guards your towed vehicle with quiet resilience. A protector born of precision, it transforms towing into confidence. And that confidence begins at $596. A dent is more than a blemish. It is a story etched into metal, waiting to be undone. The Viva 117-piece dent removal kit delivers paintless repair tools including a golden lifter, bridge puller, slide hammer, and suction cups for restoring auto body panels. Designed for hail damage, door dings, and surface creases, it preserves factory paint while offering professional-grade precision for DIY repair. Every tool in the set works together to return steel and aluminum to their original form. Restoration begins at $89.